the like and subscribe. The bell is new Eric Gaming Romania Studio, Enjoy the video. Previously on Eric Gaming.
Hey, it's my island. That's it, guys. And I freaking do this. So, wow. So, I turned to the title. Let's give it a one. Hey, we're back again. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh my God! That's the first time. Okay, so yes. Onto the scene is win. Okay, everyone, guys, time to play. Jump in again. Wow, that's so cool. That's really good. It's the island.
Next on Eric Gaming.
Good to see you, everybody, and it is the third and the stadium for the last episode of the stand for Lego World's Survivor Adventure. So as you can notice, and we're back in this episode, so kids, new videos and this episode. After you guys more as it is the caveman, it's cave woman. This is a Shella woman. This is pretty small island. And citrus apricot years ago. This is a friend near and a safe. Let's see the first newest videos as Volcano. Right? Let's see the message and let's get started at the Lego World's Survivor Adventure. This is pretty new, this is videos. Let's do this. This is a present at fire and sketch and hands. And we're going to cast race. This on the cave with Volcano, it's Eruption. Look at that, the volcano is so amazing. Okay, what is she doing now? Okay, now I have to do the second door, same me. Okay, now I have to do this is the Shella house. Let's do this. And we depend this, so I make it self. That's Shella house. Goodness, look at that dream. That's so a television again. This so and the cooking and that's so I'm burning outside. Right? Right, if we can tell as cooking and okay, what's this? So added the chicken and chicken Thanksgiving. Now I have to do this over the door. Alright. And I have this is poking out the shit so I don't want you're feeling it as a so every morning. Right? Okay, no choice. Let's see then and I'll break it to the Shella at this time. Then all done. We have the process to break it. Over the door and get safely this I can show over that. There it goes. Right. Let's do this. Alright, Shella, good morning, everybody. And recess of islanders are still going and spreading a wild style house. So we're going to say no crazy man. Wow, cool. That's crazy now. Now I have to set it tug of war and that's climb out in the jungle. That's so amazing again. Alright, next to the next up. Next up, already set me. Okay. Okay. That's the first thing I'm talking about. There you go. Go. Yo, the minute of the ducks. Let's come out here and put it safe. Right? And with the paradise, I notice it first and climb out this on the sub tree. This is a feather boat. Wow, look at this. And it's over the waterfall. That's so cool about Shella. We can over that side. Right? Okay, Shella trying to jump in and put it the 3D. Yep. Get a nest spray. Right, alright. So I got thing on the fridge and settle right. God is afraid no crazy prank, right? into the pool. Right? Okay. Wow, what is the go? Wow means let's go ready for the pool. Right? Okay, Shella, jumped in and into the pool. Jumped into the pool. Let's go. Go! Yes, go! That's a basketball for a game. Yes. Into the pool. Right? That's good for me, enough for your side. Okay, let's try that again. Now I have our second part. Right. Okay, let's see who knew this. Okay, see that touches the camera. Right? Yes. Turn the ball! Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. A little help. Someone help me. What? Where am I? What is that thing stuck in her gels? What the heck is going on here? Right, it's time to go head to bed. Now let's see this. What? Why is somebody stuck in my jail? Okay, now it's not me. Let me in. Oh my god, they're stuck in in jail. Fine, I get a pretty stand of those things. I kind of washing hands. Thank God they have the toilets and the shower. Okay, see, right in front of the toilets. Right? What the? Oh! What the? What's that? Oh my goodness! Wow. Okay, let's next take a shower and be careful follow this. What is showers? I know Casey passes so the shower as the Shella is naked for it and the shower is naked for it. The shower is stuck in the jail. Right? Okay. Here we go. That's a summer can again. Wow, that's a food again. Okay, now I have to recite this C. So that I can practice Volcano Eruption does and just now guys ever mind. Right? Goodness friend can. Oh my god, it's just so what? Oh my gosh, it's shaking. It's shaking right now. Beginning eruption. Oh my god. Wow. Here comes snapping. What the heck is going on here? Oh my god, that's the radio eruption. Shella, run! The volcano eruption, let's see. Run or alive! Okay. Jeez, we need to break that friend now. Okay, open the door. Open the door for me. What the heck was that? Oh my god. Okay, let's see, putting the safe out for now. Okay. Jump this and open the safe, shut the door. Open the safe. Right. Okay, close it. Ooh. It's so close. That one is. That's the kind of eruption of wobbling. Wibbly I can say. Oh my goodness. What the heck is with this? Okay, time for the next part to be as it continues again. What the heck?